This Daignault Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Barry Taylor. Beautiful custom home in a lovely setting. Stunning sunset views from your expansive 60 widescreen lanai that converts to a Florida room. Soaring ceilings and open great room floor plan make this home feel even bigger than it is. Custom cabinetry throughout with pull-out shelves galore. Huge kitchen boasts breakfast bar and island with sink. Master suite has huge walk-in closet, French doors to lanai, double sink vanity, jetted tub and roomy shower. Generous closets in the trio of guest rooms. Plenty of yard to build your dream pool. Indoor laundry currently used as a craft room, so you have 2 sets of laundry hookups. Oversized 3-car garage with extra tall doors and an extra deep bay for boat storage or workshop. Fridge and cooktop do not convey. Brick over concrete block construction. 1-year new HVAC. For more info or to see this property, call or text Barry Taylor 321-795-7074 for more information. Review the details below or contact Barry Taylor at 321-795-7074.